Hey, welcome to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I am Rachel, and this is what our cabinets are looking like for our log cabin makeover. So stick around and check out how we did this. Please be kind. We're in the middle of these cabinets, and I just don't even know. I don't know. We'll see. We're trying out PolyShades, and so the idea is that we'll have a frame of dark wood, and then I left the middle light on purpose because we're going to put a silhouette like trees and lodgy animals and things. So we're going to do a second coat. This is not done. We're going to do second coat on the PolyShades. Here's my tip with PolyShades. Maybe don't try it. Or if you are going to try PolyShades, by the way, shout out to It's Poppin'. They tried PolyShades. It looked pretty good. I liked it. It inspired us. We're going to try it. We are trying it, but you have to work fast. It's really thin and it dries really quick. So get it on, like, don't get too much. Get it on there. Do in the direction. And yes, I do know this is not real wood. So yes, no, this is not real wood, but it is wood looking. So we're going with the dark around the edges. We're going to put a silhouette in the middle. If we end up doing a backup plan, I will let you know as we see how it goes. We're kind of winging it here, not going to lie. I have used PolyShades before, but it's been a long time, possibly 15-20 years. Let's get the second coat on here and see if it looks a little better. Otherwise, this is majorly rustic. Hi, so we ended up doing a second coat of the PolyShades. It's darker than we intended, but I think it's still going to look pretty good. Now we've got all these silhouettes that I ordered off Amazon. I will drop a link if you like these, if you want the same ones for your project. We've got mountains and trees and lodgy animals. And so we're just going to see what fits where and make it work. I do also have a plan for the ones, a lot of them are too big for how small our space to work with is, but there's options like this. What do you think of this, honey?
Woohoo! Adventure awaits. Nice. I like it.
I'll put more trees and stuff that are too big over in the bathroom.
Sounds good.
So it's coming together. I seriously had my doubts, but I think it's going to look lovely. Can't wait to show you guys how it turns out.
Well, Nathaniel, tell us what you just got done doing there.
I just finished screwing this cabinet in.
Cool. What do you think of the remodel here we got?
It's going pretty good.
Pretty good. How'd it turn out?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Did it turn out better or about the same as what you thought it would be?
Better.
Turned out better, huh? I think it turned out a little better than I thought it would be too. I sure like this floor we put in. And there's our silhouettes. What do you think of the cabinet doors? We did the log cabin wallpaper, then the PolyShades on the outside there, 2 coats, and kind of tricky stuff. But then we put the silhouettes in there, so that turned out pretty nice. Like the mountains and the trees there.
Well, what do you think? I think we like it. It's totally turned out better than we thought it was going to. We seriously had our doubts about that. The PolyShades on the first coat especially looked rough. But it's looking better. We're still going to do a little bit more touch-up, but I think I like it. I think this is cool. Tell me this is cool. I think this is cool. we're pretty much done with our makeover. I can't wait to show you guys the whole full reveal. This is pretty much our last thing that we had to do. This is the last thing that's been holding us up. And so, check it out. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep an eye out for everything we got going on here at Adventures and Pop-Ups. Thank you for watching, and happy camping.